Hi there, it's Jodi. I'm here today to tell you about my free card kit in the mail for February 1st through 16th, 2025. It's the Everyday Arches card kit. This is a new online exclusive stamp set from Stampin' Up, and it's got these awesome coordinating dies. So you can purchase these individually or you can purchase as a bundle and save 10%. This stamp set is very cool. It's 13 photopolymer images. As you can see, most of them are greetings and they're arched. Sometimes it's the full arch here, other times it's just partial. And then you've got some that are just straight greetings as well. A couple different styles and fonts, and then some images, some tiny images in there too. So very unique, fun stamp set. The dies are so awesome. There are 10 different dies. They're arches that kind of nest together like this, so you can do some really fun things with them, and they're all stitched. So I had a lot of fun creating these cards, and I'm excited to be able to offer them to you for free with your qualifying order by February 16th. So let me go ahead and pull in some cards and show you what I did. So I took a couple of different dies here. You can see how they're right next to each other in the order of sizes. And so that gave me the border like this, where you see just a bit of that Melon Mambo cardstock behind the designer paper. So that's the look when you do two that are right next to one another. So you can see also on here, there's a layer of embossed fresh freesia cardstock. Of course, the stitching on the dies makes it very fun. Another little bit of designer paper here, the hello from the stamp set, some sequins, and then this twine. Now you might not recognize it because we don't have pink twine. I used some of our white and I simply pulled in one of our Stampin' Blend alcohol markers, the light Pretty in Pink, and I just used the brush end and colored our white twine to get that pink. I just thought that really looked good on this card, and so that's what I did to get that look there. Now, you don't have to have the pink blend. That twine in your kit will come already colored, so it'll be ready to go for you on this card. Let me pull in another one. This one I really, really like too. Now this, I used, I think, the second largest die, and die cut a piece of white cardstock, added it to that black card base. I just threw a little piece of white on the inside so it's easy to stamp or write on. So I added that stamped greeting, and then I absolutely love this die cut butterfly that's on the blue glimmer paper. Now that will come in your kit. You don't have to have that die separate, so that will come die cut and ready to go. And I should mention, to complete all 4 of these cards, all you need is this bundle, so the stamps and dies, and a black ink pad. And if you want to do the fun splatter you see in the background, you would also need a Coastal Cabana ink pad, and then like our water painter or a paintbrush, something like that, to be able to splatter that color on the background. So this is a really fun card. I love the black and white and then just that pop of color. All right, the next one is this one here, and I used, I think, this die, and I went ahead on this cardstock here, and I cut that piece out. So I kind of made this little window. So this pops out, and I have it to use on another project, and then it created the window there. So I embossed this layer and then put the designer paper behind it, a little bit of that basic beige showing through, and then the greeting here with some jute tied on there. And then the last one is super fun. I just love the bright colors. I'm ready for these springy colors. We've got some Daffodil Delight and Lemon Lolly, and then of course Old Olive and the designer paper there. So for this particular one, let me see. I pulled in some of varying sizes, and I'm not totally sure which ones I chose. It might be something like this, but you get the idea, even if these aren't the exact ones. So I die cut the Lemon Lolly, this piece here, and the little one here. And then I didn't even die cut this right here. It's just a solid piece of the old olive designer paper behind there, but it gives this look. You could really do some fun rainbow cards with these dies. But then what's super cool is look what happens. This pops out. So you don't see this on this card, but so many different unique things that you could do with this. So these extra pieces are things that you can use, you know, for other projects and really, really get your creativity going. There's so many different options. I absolutely love these dies. I think that you can do some very, very fun things with them. It's just really cool when you have 10 dies that just fit together, nest together. You can change up how large of a border you want, whether you want something big like that or the ones right next to each other tight like that. So these 4 quick and creative cards are yours for free with a qualifying order. It's a $60 order between February 1st and February 16th. You just order in my online store through my website. You use my host code, and then you get supplies to make these 4 cards sent to you in the mail automatically and completely free. It's just my thank you for ordering this month. So you'll get all the different things you see here, the different designer papers and embossed layers, the embellishments and ribbons, all that will come in your kit. Like I said, you just need to have the stamps, the dies, a black ink pad, and then if you want to do that splatter, the Coastal Cabana ink pad, and water painter, paintbrush, something like that. So that's a $60 order with my host code. This comes in the mail to you that very next week for free. Bonus is that this is Sale-a-Bration. So you get to choose. I thought I had my book right here, but you get to choose something from our Sale-a-Bration promotion for free with your $60 order. And you'll see all those options in my online store. So there's several different things, stamp sets, embellishments, papers that you get for free with a $60 order. So not only my free card kit, but also a Sale-a-Bration item. So it's a double dip win-win when you place an order with me this month by February 16th. All right, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.